नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बअद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Last time we read Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, first verse of the Surah Fatiha. Today we will discuss about the second verse of the Surah Fatiha, Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim words are used for the gracious and the merciful. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that the Arabic word Rahman and Rahim, it used as a superlative degree. It means most merciful and most gracious. And I think that it is the beauty of the Islam. And there are many religions in this world, when they introduce about their gods, about their fathers, about their gods, they says first introductive line about them, which they use at the time of introduction. They said that he is most dangerous. If you will go against him, he will destroy your property, he will destroy your everything. But it is the beauty of the Islam and beauty of the Quran, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala introduce about himself in the Quran. Introductive line, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala narrated introductive line in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that your real God is that who is most merciful, who is most gracious. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that I love yourself even more than your mothers. If you are going against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a lot of time you spend against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but after 50 years you realize that who is Allah? Allah is that who provides me everything, who rewards me by 2 eyes, by 2 ears, by 2 legs, and he rewarded me everything. Food, he provide me food, he gives me food. When you realize that Allah is my real God, then you should come back. When you realize, then you should come back. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that when you will come back, I will forgive your every mistake. Not even forgive, even I will change your bad things in good things, and I will reward you with the paradise.